This is a quick demonstration of how to install and prepare the spring clips for the V1 ESCC. Let's begin. So we'll be using the spring clip installation tool. And we'll grab a couple springs out. Then we go ahead and just put one of the springs on the end of the tool here. The next step is to differentiate which side is the wide side and which side is the skinny side. So if you look closely at the tab, you'll see that one side is wider and one side is more narrow. After you've identified which side is the wide side, you want the wide sides to be top and bottom with the AV logo or the screw posts. And you want the narrow sides to be lined up with the sides and insides, basically. So like this. This is the wide side right here, face up. And you can see the orientation I have it in the hole. Now, my favorite way to do this, or preferred way to do this, is to set it into the hole with a slight tilt like that, and then I take my thumbnail and straighten it out and push it down. And that helps basically just guide it right down into the hole there. So now we'll go ahead and repeat this on the other side. And again, identify which side is the narrow side and which side is the wide side. And we'll go ahead and line it up with the post. Using my thumbnail to help stabilize. And as you can see, it kind of went at a slight angle, but that's okay, I'll correct it as I push it down. And there we go. Now, after this step is complete, for the V1 ESCC, you then have to prepare these clips to receive the V1 ESCC. And the way you do that is by pushing on this tab of the spring closest to the outside of the deck here. Same with the other side. You push that tab that's closest to the outside of the deck here. So I'm going to stick this down in, and then I'm going to push it this way to push this tab towards the edge here. So we'll go ahead and do that on this side, and then we'll flip it around and do it on the other side. And that is how you prepare the springs for the V1 ESCC. The next step is to set the zirconia saucer on there, line it up with the spring clip holes, take the ESCC, line it up. Now I didn't push it in, and I don't want to hold the zirconia because I want to allow the zirconia some play when I insert the ESCC. So I know it's all lined up, and now I can gently push it down. And again, that was gently. So I know there was a little clicking noise there, but that was a lot more gentle than it sounded. and that's all there is to it.